The overall goal of this procedure is to demonstrate a repeatable and effective methodology for administering remotely supervised transcranial direct current stimulation.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of neuromodulation, such as extended dosing. The main advantage of this technique is that tDCS can be performed from a patient's home or a satellite site with real-time supervision by study personnel.
This technique enables remote administration of tDCS sessions while maintaining clinical standards away from the clinic. RS-tDCS overcomes a common limitation in neuromodulation, particularly few stimulation sessions studied. This method was initially piloted for treatment of cognitive impairment in multiple sclerosis, but was generalized to patients with Parkinson's disease and would be generalizable to other conditions as well. Challenges surrounding this method include initial computer preparation and training of participants to ensure uniform standards.
At baseline, begin by escorting the participant into the testing room. Administer relevant neuropsychological assessments based on the patient population to assess motor and cognitive abilities of the participant that will serve as screening and outcome measures. Next, administer self-report questionnaires relevant to symptoms that are specific to the patient's disease. Finally, administer universal symptom rating inventories to allow for comparison of outcomes between patient populations. Begin by showing the